out, guys. Check this out. Wow. No wonder the traffic was so delayed. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. 10:28. Guys, you know, one of the fundamentals of driving wasn't practiced there. And that's basically what happened. You know, someone wasn't doing the observation or speed management or space management, something. Be careful out there, guys. That's why there's accidents, and you know, New York doesn't like to recognize it as an accident. They like to recognize it as a crash. So these accidents are avoidable. Be safe out there, guys. Be safe. Later.